It's back to renovation. I am so excited and so ready to be in my house. A lot has happened in the last, 2-3 weeks. We're doing a lot of things outside, a lot of things inside, and just trying to live a little bit during the summer. So welcome back to renovation. I'm Jamie Gordon. I help people with selling and buying homes in Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, and the surrounding areas. So we are renovating our house that we had purchased kind of towards the end of May. So basically the kids got out of school and moved pretty darn immediately and into a camper. So we're ready for normal to come back. And during this entire time, something happened with my phone. I think I did an update, and all of a sudden I can't use all the camera features and cannot figure it out. So need to find some time to get into US Cellular. But I just wanted to show you where we were. We're starting outside here. I didn't show this, I don't think, that well last time, but my husband built this beautiful little deck. And there's little Bandit down here. That's our baby girl. And this was put up right before we bought the house, and he put my dinner bell up. It was my son Joey's idea to put the dinner bell right here, and I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. So we're heading inside. And this is our front living room. The only thing we really did in here was take down the curtains, and you can see that we have a pretty fabulous view out of these beautiful windows. Found out that there were only 2 blinds after we took down the curtains. Got some furniture. Check out the lawn furniture. Heading over to the kitchen. Haven't done a darn thing here. I have so much appreciation for having a dishwasher. My dishwasher's name is Joey right now. But thank you for whoever invented the dishwasher. We will have another one someday. So in the master bedroom, you'll see that the popcorn ceilings are down. We're going to back up here. Where's Gus? We found that there was hardwoods. There's actually a different type of hardwood that runs into, into the master. Hey, buddy. But it ends about in the middle of this piece, in the middle of this piece right here, and coincidentally, it is where the addition started. So we are going to do different flooring. Master bathroom's coming along. We got it all ready with plumbing and electrical. Got the toilet stubbed out. We're very excited to have 2 toilets again. Oh my gosh, I'm very ready. So we're heading back down our hallway. Look at those wood floors. We were so excited to find these, but when we found out how much it would cost to refinish them, our excitement kind of went down. Bathroom, we haven't done anything except we added a fan. There was no fan in here before. We're gonna do some paint. Eventually we're gonna do something with all of this, but right now it is what it is. Added lights and a couple walls. So when we're all done here, we're gonna have a couple rooms. So we're gonna have a bedroom off to this side. There's already a closet in here, so we thought we would utilize that. And then we have kind of an office space over here. I have some drywall fixes to do. You'll see it's kind of got a hole in the wall. And we have a place for ceiling fans up above. So that is about it. Hopefully the camera actually worked well. But that is where we are right now. We got the thumbs up to move forward. So we're gonna have drywall put up in the next couple days. Oh, I wanted to show you something. I pushed the button. Hopefully that didn't do anything. This is the flooring we're putting in. It's really nice. So it has like this cork behind it, so it has a little bit of a give. But really loving this vinyl plank flooring. So one thing to think about when you're installing flooring, I know a lot of people like their hardwoods, and I love hardwoods. Oh my gosh, I really wanted to keep this, but we're gonna still keep these hardwoods. So we're getting this the vinyl plank flooring is actually a floating floor, so it's not going to damage the floor underneath, and that's really super important because someday we would like to go ahead and get them repaired and bring it back and bring that character back. So if you are renovating a house and you find those hardwoods and are just thinking of maybe just flipping the house and don't want to put the money into what needs to be done to revive them, then yeah, just make sure you do something snap together, not glue down. We just had too many repairs to be done to these floors. We were okay with all the blemishes, but it just was going to be just too much. And by the time we priced out flooring, we were like, hey, we probably should just do this flooring. It's also waterproof. And after seeing the way that boys are with hardwood floors, trying to teach them that you can't leave anything on the floor, like, you know, like your wet towel. That was a bit of a challenge, and I would cringe every time I'd see a towel on the floor and think, these are going to be ruined with my little boys. And you know, it is what it is. So we're just going to go ahead and do this vinyl plank and see how it does for us. I can't wait to show you. So it might actually be done by next week. That's how fast we're moving forward. So thanks for joining this week. If you have any questions at all, I'm definitely not an expert, but you know what? I know a lot of people and would love to help you either buy, sell, or as you're renovating your next home. Have a blessed day.